Hey guys, today I'll show you how to manage files for items in monday.com. There are two ways you can add a file, whether by clicking on an item and uploading a file and its comments, or adding a file column in your board which is dedicated entirely to files. To add files in an item, first open the item where you want to add or manage files. Open the Updates panel and click the paperclip icon. If you have a files column on your board, simply click on an item cell where you want to add the file. Next, upload a file by choosing from your device or from cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Just pick the source, browse to the file, and upload it. Once uploaded, you can preview the file in the Files gallery. Click on the file and a preview window will open so you can view it on the spot. Or you can download it via the nav bar below the displayed file, which also contains more options. To manage versions, click the Versions tab on the right navigation bar of the Files gallery. Then choose Add Version and upload a new file. Previous versions will appear in a version history, so you can switch or download older versions. This option is only available in the Files column. Take note that there is a 500 MB limit per file, and for cloud-based drives, you may need to be logged in and accept cookies to connect. And that's how you manage files on items in monday.com. Thanks for watching.